Oh no, my stomach hurts. My stomach hurt. I barely slept last night. I barely slept last night. I keep going to the bathroom. I keep going to the bathroom. I feel terrible. I feel terrible. I think I need to see a doctor. I think I need to see a doctor.
Good morning, Green Valley Clinic. How can I help you? Good morning, Green Valley Clinic. How can I help you?
Hello, I'd like to see a doctor today. Hello, I would like to see a doctor today.
We have an opening at 10 a.m. We have an opening at 10 a.m.
That works for me. Thank you. That works for me. Thank you.
Can I have your name, please? Can I have your name, please?
Mrs. Brown. My name is Mrs. Brown.
Hello, Mrs. Brown. What seems to be the problem? Hello, Mrs. Brown. What seems to be the problem?
I have a stomachache. I have a stomachache. I keep going to the bathroom. I keep going to the bathroom.
How many times? How many times?
About 5 times last night. About 5 times last night.
I feel very tired. I feel exhausted.
Let me check your blood pressure first. Let me check your blood pressure first.
Let me take your temperature. Let me take your temperature.
Have you vomited? Have you vomited?
No, but I feel a little dizzy. No, but I feel a little dizzy.
I see. You have a fever. I see. You have a fever. Did you eat anything unusual? Did you eat anything unusual?
I ate seafood at the night market. I ate seafood at the night market.
All right. You have diarrhea. All right. You have diarrhea. Drink plenty of water. Drink plenty of water. Avoid oily food. Avoid oily food. I will give you some medicine. I will give you some medicine.
Thank you, doctor. How often should I take it? Thank you, doctor. How often should I take it?
Twice a day after meals. Twice a day after meals.
Hello. I'd like to get this medicine, please. Hello. I would like to get this medicine, please. Sure. Give me a moment. Sure. Give me a moment. Here you are. Drink this with water. Here you are. Drink this with water. Thank you. Can I pay by card? Thank you. Can I pay by card? Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
I'm finally back home. I am finally back home. What a long day. What a long day. I need to rest. I need to rest. I hope I feel better soon. I hope I feel better soon. Thank you for joining me today. See you in the next video.